go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, but this a Glock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go the day you need me. So bitch, put me on that get the bus. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop.
It just hit Florida like last night. See, it just hit Florida last night. It's just a rainy day. I thought it was gonna hit tomorrow, but it's like 7:10 in the morning. I woke up like 5:30, and then yeah. She's looking, and this one's crazy too. Hashtag. To put hashtag there. Hashtag too windy and rainy. Yes, it is too windy outside. It's literally like we're inside my house right now, so it's hitting the west part of Florida. So I think it's gonna like turn around a little bit. I'm just walking around showing you guys like what's happening, what's gonna happen. This might leak because that's patched up now. They're gonna do nothing. But if you okay, let me show you the canal. It's flooded. It's like a little flooded thing. Tropical storm hit. Hurricane Tropical Ida? Tropical Ida? I don't know. But you see, guys, you can't even see the canal anymore. That's sad. Sorry, it's just my fan. And that's my other fan right there. I was staying in the studio, aka my grandpa's room. A studio. I just love hanging out in this room. It's okay. It's so small. It's a guest room. So
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, but this a Glock. My Glock told